Hi guys, how are you? Teacher Mario here. Before today's lesson, please check out our Instagram account abcenglish.tv where I share grammar notes, exercises, and more for you to do on your own pace. The link will be in the description. Now, we're going to cut to the chase and start with the second topic from Unit 1, gerund and infinitive constructions. Let's talk about the first category. Verbs like appreciate, consider, enjoy, give up, keep, put off, and suggest are only followed by gerunds. Keep in mind that the tense of the first verb does not modify the rule. Let's see a few examples. Number 1. They are considering starting a company team. Number 2. Mom enjoys having lunch with her friends. Number 3. I keep calling my sister but she won't answer. In all of the previous sentences, the first verb tells me that the second verb must be in its gerund form, no exceptions, so enjoys having, keep calling. Now, phrases like be bored with, apologize for, be good at, and worry about, among others, are expressions with prepositions that are only followed by gerunds and nothing else. Let's go through a few examples. Number 1. Sophie apologized for being rude to you. Number 2. Since I was a kid, I've been good at dancing. Number 3. Lola is worried about failing her exams. Now, in our following category, verbs like ask, decide, need, refuse, and tempt are only followed by infinitives. That means you need the preposition to before the base verb. Let's see some examples. Number 1. I never expected to meet so many people. Number 2. My brother decided to take some new courses. Number 3. She tends to spend so much money in things that she doesn't need. On the other hand, phrases like be amazed, be lucky, be hesitant, and be eager are expressions only followed by infinitives. Let's go through a few examples. Number 1. I will be happy to help. Number 2. She's eager to participate in the school play. Number 3. Louise is ready to go if you are. Now, verbs like continue, prefer, love, begin, and start can be followed by either a gerund or an infinitive without changes in meaning. Therefore, you may use either one. For example, I like reading at breakfast. Or you can say, I like to read at breakfast. Number 2, I prefer having dinner at home. Or you can say, I prefer to have dinner at home. Number 3, she started doing her homework. Or you can say, she started to do her homework. Now, all of the previous mentioned rules also apply for passive voice, meaning that the first verb you use will determine which structure you are going to employ. And for that, we've got two options. If the first verb is followed by a gerund, use this structure. Subject plus verb plus being plus past participle. Let's see a few examples. Number 1. I keep being invited by my coworkers to lunchtime yoga class. Number 2. She enjoys being seen as a top student. Here, both verbs keep and enjoy are only followed by gerunds. Now, if the first verb is followed by an infinitive, use this structure. Subject plus verb plus to be plus past participle. Let's see a few examples. Number 1. She asked to be chosen for the job. Number 2. They wanted to be invited to the party. The same happens with the verb ask and want, that they are only followed by infinitives. Now it's time to talk about verbs like forget, mean, and regret, which can be followed by an infinitive or a gerund. However, the meaning is going to be significantly different in each case. First, let's talk about the verb forget. If the verb forget is followed by an infinitive, it refers to something you didn't actually do. It's the verb forget as we know it. Let's see some examples. Number 1. Marcelo forgot to meet his best friend at the train station. Number 2. Most of my students forgot to do their homework. In the foregoing sentences, the verb meet and the verb do did not happen because the subjects forgot. On the other hand, forget plus a gerund refers to an action that you in fact did earlier. A memory, in most cases a positive one. Let's see a few examples. Number 1. Marcelo never forgot meeting his favorite actor. Number 2. My students never forgot going to the museum in our last year's trip. Now it's time to talk about the verb mean. Mean plus an infinitive means intent. In this case, mean is usually used in the negative or in its past tense. Let's see a few examples. Number 1. I meant to visit Shayla while I was in Hawaii, but I didn't have the chance. Number 2. I meant to study for my exams yesterday, but a few friends came over. In both sentences, we had intentions of doing something. We wanted to do something, however, that something wasn't completed or was not done. On the other hand, the verb mean plus a gerund means involved, necessitate, or imply. Let's see a few examples. Number 1. Inviting Emily to the party means inviting Eva too. Number 2. Finishing a unit means having a test. Now time to see our last verb. Regret plus a gerund means be sorry for or be sorry about. Let's see a few examples. Number 1. Donna really regretted missing her best friend's wedding. Number 2. I regret telling you that I love you. Now, regret plus an infinitive such as inform, announce, and say is a polite way of introducing bad news in official communication. Let's see a few examples. Number 1. The corporation regrets to inform you that all job vacancies have been filled. Number 2. I regret to tell you that there aren't tables available. Please make sure you practice, and if you have any doubt, let me know down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. See you on the next topic.